Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and use the new Electro Optical scanning effect on Capcut. So first you need to add a video or photo to Capcut and then just go to Effect, click on the body effects, and then here click on stroke, and then just find the Electro Optical scanning, this one's right here, and you can adjust the size, the range, twist, color, and also speed. I'm going to just see the result first, so it will go like this. And if you want to change the color, I'm going to change it to another color. Okay, I'm going to change into this color, and you can also adjust the speed and also the twist and the range. When you're done, just click on a check icon, and here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.